Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're stepping into a world where innovation meets imagination, and trucks are no longer just vehicles. They're futuristic palaces on wheels. What you're about to see will blow your mind because this isn't just a machine. It's a moving luxury home that challenges everything we thought we knew about travel. Get ready for the rolling palace on wheels, Australia's futuristic road train home, with bedroom, kitchen, washroom, and more. At first glance, this beast looks like a powerful Australian road train. Its body gleams in metallic silver, shining under the desert sun, with bold chrome details that scream authority and presence. But this is not your ordinary road train, carrying goods from one state to another. This is a house on wheels designed for those who want adventure without giving up comfort. The real magic begins when you step inside. The first thing you'll notice is the bedroom, carefully designed to give you comfort after a long journey. A soft bed, elegant wooden cabinets, cozy lighting, and large windows that let you wake up to breathtaking views, whether it's the endless desert horizon or the night sky full of stars. It feels less like a truck and more like a boutique hotel room. Next, let's move into the kitchen. Yes, a fully functional mini kitchen built right into the truck. Compact, but with everything you need: stove, sink, fridge, and plenty of cabinet space. Imagine cooking your favorite meals while parked in the middle of nowhere, with panoramic views all around you. It's not just convenient, it's magical. Of course, no luxury home would be complete without a washroom. And this futuristic road train doesn't disappoint. Inside, you'll find a sleek shower cabin, modern fittings, a stylish wash basin, and LED-lit mirrors that make even the smallest space feel luxurious. Who would have thought that a truck could carry a bathroom this advanced? But the heart of this rolling palace is the lounge area. This is where comfort meets style. A compact sofa, a small table, a wall-mounted TV, and ambient lighting that makes the space feel warm and welcoming. Whether you want to relax with a book, enjoy a movie, or simply watch the world pass by through the window, this lounge is designed to give you that ultimate home feeling. And then comes the cockpit, the command center of this futuristic machine. The dashboard is a marvel in itself. With leather seats, chrome-finished steering, multiple digital screens, glowing LED buttons, and a panoramic windshield offering a cinematic view of the road ahead. Driving this doesn't feel like handling a truck, it feels like piloting a spaceship. So what does all this mean? It means that the future of travel is already here. A future where you don't have to choose between adventure and comfort. A future where your home moves with you. This isn't just transportation, it's transformation. So what do you think? Would you live in the rolling palace on wheels? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing futuristic machines. Because trust me, this is only the beginning.